YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy. Just a heads up, this is probably one of the cleanest videos I've made so far.
No, it's my turn. So I'm about to get a nice wash in. We about to wash with some wave slime, you know what I mean? And Liz, which wave slime you washing with?
I need to do something.
You gotta do something? Give me my slime.
No, I'm making blood.
This is my slime. Which one is this one?
No, sorry, I'm busy. I'm busy.
You busy?
Yes, I'm busy.
Man, I'm trying to get busy.
No, I'm busy.
Alright YouTube, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a pre-poo / hot oil treatment. And yup, the GB style. Alright, so first things first, we're going to let this oil cool off for a second. Shout out to my squad, the affiliates. We doing big things right now. So here I go in with a comb. I want to lift up the hair. This is going to be a simple method you can use to keep your hair moisturized. So let's go. First things first, I heat up some water for about 5 minutes. Then I put my oils that I'm going to be using inside that container. I never heat my oils up directly in the microwave or in boiling water. So here I'm going to go in and apply the oils into my hair. I want to scramble these oils in. So I want to make sure these oils are penetrating. So I'm going to use enough oils. I'm going to make sure I use at least 10 to 15 drops of oils. This is a mixture that I made. It's a little bit of grapeseed, a little bit of castor, jojoba, and Regal 9 from My Fluffy Puffs. Alright, so while I'm applying the oils, let me just break down why I do this hot oil treatment. The heat from the hot oil, and when I steam it in, it really helps the cuticle open up, so it allows that oil to penetrate. Being that, you know, the benefits of the oils itself, hair growth and shine. So when you apply these oils and open that cuticle with the heat, it allows your hair to really soak up that oils. It reduces frizz, reducing dryness on the scalp. It really helps your hair strengthen up and grow. So here I'm using the steamer to speed up the process, but just use whatever you have. If you have a shower cap, if you have steam from your shower or your hot water, anything, any type of steam is gonna open up them cuticles and it's gonna allow those oils to penetrate.
My hair. I'm going in and start my washing style. So I'm going with some warm water. I'm gonna use wave slime.
Okay, what color do you like, Emilio?
I like the blue one.
You like the blue one? Okay, here you go.
Can you open it? Okay, I'll open it.
You open the blue
Here.
one?
Thank you.
Wow.
You gotta show the camera.
But I got not one. I like the purple one. Okay, that's all. I want blue. We found another one. Another one. Yes, another one. It's another one. Whoa, what's that? Green, pink, blue. What about the blue one? Blue one to go here. Thank you, Jamanda. Okay.
Clean your hands.
Hi guys, welcome to my little burger.
As you've seen, my niece chose the blue one. We're gonna be hitting that OVB Wave Slime. Limited edition, y'all, so we're gonna be using this bad boy right here. Know what I'm saying? Limited edition Wave Slime. We don't need much. We're gonna apply it with dry hands. We're gonna get a nice scramble wash. So I didn't have too much product in my hair. besides the oils. So I should get a nice lather. If not, the second lather. So this is gonna be my first wash, but as you see, pretty good lather so far. Y'all see this? So judging it off the first time using this OVB slime, it lathers up nasty. Y'all see this lather, something crazy. So it smells good too. So far, as y'all see, this lather goes crazy. So now that we got a nice lather in there, we're gonna go on and start laying this stuff down. So my brush of choice is gonna be this Royalty medium hard shower brush. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from my crown. So I want to start from my crown, make sure I know exactly where my crown is at. And as I get lower into my pattern, I will start brushing my whole pattern. But right now I just want to lock this crown into place. This is basically how I start off all my washing styles. That. Make sure that crown is in nice in place. Get everything nice and laid in place. This is why I like using medium or hard brushes. Being that I have a lot of long hair right now, my hair is at a longer length, I'm able to really get in there and touch the root of my scalp, train my new growth while I'm washing. I don't want to wash with something too soft and it's not pulling all my hair. So that's why I use like a medium hard brush most of the time. As you guys see, the consistency on this lather is real nice. I'm still able to get a nice long brush session in. So I'm basically just gonna get a nice lay. Make sure my hair is nice and laid. Once I get a nice lay, I know I don't need to put in too much longer. I got my hair where I want it. So as y'all see, I'm really just washing my hair and laying my hair down at the same time. But I like to stay consistent when I'm washing. These angles are really important. because when your hair is wet, your hair tends to move a lot easier. So keep in mind, don't play around when you washing, man. This ain't no time to be playing with angles or testing new angles. Try to stay as consistent as possible. So it's looking nice. I'm going to get this last lap in. So to keep the lather going, I'm going to take some of this lather out the brush. I'm going to reapply it. And since this is my last go around, I know I'm not really too concerned about the lather too much right now. I'm just going to make sure everything's in place. So if this is my last go around, and make sure everything's nice and laid from the crown. Nice consistent strokes. Easy. It's gonna make it way easier to rinse this way. Show y'all how this wash came out. I'm gonna show y'all the definition. I'm gonna show y'all the shine on this bad boy. Hit the like button. Make sure y'all subscribe into your boy. We almost at 1K. Time to see what this unrag looking like. So shout out to OVB. Shout out to my Fluffy Puffs mesh do-rag. Nice collab right there. Shout out to my Fluffy Puffs. Make sure y'all go download that app too. My Fluffy Puffs. Google Play, Apple Store. Let's see what we looking like.
Eastern Side Beats.
Bye. See you later.